Hello and welcome everyone to today's metals report for the 29th of August 2018, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will of course be taking a closer look at gold and silver prices. We'll have a look at the charts in more detail very shortly as well. Right now gold is trading at $1,203.72 per ounce, up 0.24% on the day. And silver is trading at $14.74, up 0.5%. Gold prices this week so far are holding above a very key level of support, which is $1,200 per ounce. In fact, on Tuesday, gold prices broke out to $1,214, which is the highest that prices have been since the 10th of August. Palladium also this week broke out to 7-week highs. We still need to pay close attention to the US dollar at these levels. We've seen a correction over the course of this week, which has taken the US dollar down to 4-week lows, but the US dollar is still at a decision point as to whether this is the start of a more significant correction lower, or whether this is just a temporary pullback for the US dollar and it's going to get ready to springboard higher back above the 95 zone. So we'll have a look at that on the charts. Firstly, we'll take a look at the US dollar index, and the US dollar this week has broken down to 4-week lows. On Tuesday, we did get a bounce right at the lower end of this recent trend channel, and we have also come into support at the monthly pivot. Moving over to the weekly chart for the US dollar, we still have a sell signal on the weekly, and we've actually seen follow through, taking the price right back towards the underlying trend channel and weekly support zones here as well. So it's not a big surprise to see a bit of a retracement from this level. Is this the start of something more significant for the US dollar? We would likely get more confirmation by the end of the week on the weekly close. What I would really look out for would be a potential break back below the weekly lows here. If we get a break below that level, then we're going to be breaking a lot of this underlying support, this trend channel which has been in place since May, and then we could see a more significant corrective move taking the price back towards the 93 level. So I would keep an eye on the US dollar on the weekly chart here. On the weekly at the moment, it's not suggesting that we have finished this correction just yet. Now moving over to gold, gold is trading right now at $1,203 per ounce, and this is now going to be a very important level for gold. Previously in mid-August, when gold broke back below $1,200, we saw the price accelerate to the downside until we found support at $1,160. Since that point, gold has rallied over $50 to the upside. We've now seen a close back above the 21-day moving average here as well. We've broken and closed back above $1,200, and even yesterday, in fact on Tuesday, gold prices broke out to $1,214 before selling off and then finding support at $1,200. This is going to be an important level for gold to hold in the coming days. If gold was to break back below that level, we have clean air for a move essentially taking the price back towards $11.90. If gold can hold above this zone of $1,200 and use that as a springboard to break out higher, that is where of course we could start to see the momentum turn for gold. We would then likely see a short covering rally, particularly on a break above $1,217 to $1,220. The sell short position in the gold market at the moment has reached an extreme level from hedge funds and money managers, and as such, if we do start to see a rally on gold, a lot of the sell shorts will get squeezed, and that is what could propel the price significantly higher for gold. Now moving over to silver, first of all we'll have a look at the weekly chart here, and in fact last week was the first week in 10 weeks that we've actually seen a reversal here in silver prices, with a higher close, a higher low, and also a higher high as well. And in fact into the close on Friday last week, silver was the best performer. This week however, gold has been leading, and also palladium as well. So palladium has now recovered and broken out to 7-week highs, and we've seen a complete reversal here since the sell-off 2 weeks ago where palladium sold off over 7% in one day. Palladium has been leading the reversal here on the metals. What I would look at here on silver would be the potential for a retest back towards the $15 level. That's a really important zone for silver to break and close above next. It's a bit similar to the psychological level of support at $1,200 for gold. Silver needs to reclaim back above $15 per ounce. If silver does that, if we get a break and close back above $15, that's where the price action would very likely start to accelerate back towards $15.50 here, and that's what I would look out for in the short term. Also be tracking silver on the higher time frames as well, such as the weekly chart. That is where you get the additional confirmation, and we could get some quite significant follow through if we do see gold and silver pick up momentum to the upside, particularly because the sell short positions at the moment are so significant that a reversal in price could very quickly see short covering, and that could lead to a capitulation move higher for the precious metals. If you would like to join us at the Gold and Silver Club and join a community of successful traders, then the live trading room program is definitely for you. As a member, you will get live trade alerts delivered via WhatsApp, email, and SMS. You have access to mentorship, expert advice, in-depth market analysis, and trusted insights so you can know earlier how to act quicker and maximize your return on every opportunity. For more information on the live trading room program, please go to www.jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description, so just click on the link, make an application, and we will of course get in touch with you ASAP. And do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to be kept updated with the latest commodity reports.